Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE refrigerator freezer light cover. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new freezer light cover. The freezer light cover diffuses the light inside the freezer. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Once you have the door open, we can see the light cover. We're just going to take this shelf out so we can get to it. All you have to do is lift it out and pull it out. The light cover is held in by two locking tabs on the bottom and two on the top. We're just going to reach in and squeeze the ones on the top and pull down. Then you can just pull it off the lower mounts. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the freezer. Here's the old freezer light cover next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. It does come with a protective film on it, so we're just going to peel that off before we put it in. To put the new light cover in, just want to line up the two lower mounting tabs. You can rotate it up and snap the upper ones in. Once you have it in, we can put the freezer shelf back in. To put it in, you just want to make sure you put it at an angle so the hook goes over the little mounting rail right there. Then you can close the freezer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.